It's your girl, Rich Soul, back at you again. And today, we're going to try that new grilled cheese burrito from Taco Bell. And a couple other new things that I never tried before. So, let's get into it. I think this is, oh yes it is. It's the grilled steak soft taco. Put that right there. Ooh, at least they gave me some napkins. Have y'all noticed, like, you ordering your food to go, we already can't go in, you know, how things are now, so we can't go in. So it's like, okay, can you put some napkins in my bag? So, shout out to them for putting some napkins in my bag. Can't find that too often. Okay, let me see what this is. Okay. This must be the grilled cheese burrito. Ooh, it looks good. Look at that. Wait a minute. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Okay, put that there. It smells good too. Okay, what is this? Okay. Oh. This has to be the. Wait a minute. Let me make sure before I assume. Cause they gave me two things up in here. Maybe it is. And I only ordered one. They gave me two of them. But this is supposedly, and it's not, the nacho crunch thing, but it's nothing on. Ooh, wait a minute now. Hold on. There's nothing on this side. I mean, okay. A little bit of nacho cheese. But this is a nacho crunch taco. And I asked for supreme because I ordered it like the dollar way or whatever, and it wasn't, you know, I need some less tomato and all that good stuff. So I ordered one, but they gave me two of them. I was wondering why my little bill was high. Okay, and wait a minute, they forgot my cinnamon. They forgot my cinnamon. Okay, never mind. I was about to say, I know they didn't forget my little cinnamon bowl, my cinnamon things. It's only two of them. That better than nothing. Okay. The pros and cons when you order fast food, huh? That's what I'm like. I need to start checking when I go out. Okay, let's see what this is about. Looks good. Get some mild sauce on this thing. So how you guys doing today? I hope everyone had a lovely, blessed day. Here we go. Ooh. Oh, wait. Oh. Look at that. It's really good. Okay. Let me try some more stuff. That's good. And of course, it's only a limited time offer. Don't y'all hate that? That's good. They always be like, oh, limited time offer. And I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna be a limited time offer too if y'all don't keep serving this on the menu. Cause I haven't had Taco Bell in a long time. Okay, this is a steak, grilled steak taco. And it looks like it has avocado ranch on it, which is my favorite. Oh yes. This is my first time trying this. And this right here is good. Woo, wait a minute now. I think you're gonna be my only person, only thing. That's the only person, only thing I want to try from Taco Bell or eat. It was good. The grilled steak taco, a must try. You guys gotta try this for real. Man. Y'all already know the coldest water. This is really good. But that grilled cheese burrito is good and all. But this grilled soft taco, watch out now. Man, that was good. I say that's the only person I'm gonna taste. That's bad, but that's the only thing I'm gonna eat. That was good. I can't believe that. How many of y'all out there try the grilled steak taco? Now you ain't gonna regret that one. I thought I was just going to do a review on that and call it a day, but, Alright, I want to try this. Okay. Wait a minute. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, coming from that steak taco, it's just like to some beef. I don't know. Yeah, it's just okay for me. The burrito, grilled cheese burrito was good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give it a 9. But that steak, that grilled steak taco, 10 all day. And of course I love my little Cinnabons. These are the bomb. That's my dog in the background drinking his water. He drinks a lot of water. Well, I just wanted to give you guys a quick review on how I felt about the grilled cheese burrito and, you know, other things I'm trying new on the menu since I haven't been to Taco Bell in a while. So, Just want to check in. Peace and love, everybody. Excuse me, everyone. So I got food in my mouth. Peace and love.
For better or worse, vows were spoken. I thought our love was special, even golden. So many lies, deceits causing corrosions. Another chance only for wounds to reopen. Never faithful, so many women was chosen.